Hey guys, in the last video we looked at creating a new post, adding multimedia to the post, and creating categories. In this video we're going to look at managing comments. As you probably know, comments are an essential part of almost every WordPress website. It's important to have your comments free of spam and allowed under the pages or posts you want them to appear. In this tutorial we're going to show you with detailed information on how to moderate and secure your comments, how to manage them per post or page, and how to use an external comment service and more. So we're going to start out with what are comments and pingbacks. If comments are enabled, which they are by default, your visitors can share their thoughts on your current content under your post. These are called comments. Comments are great for your website because they show you which of your content is becoming popular and what your visitors' opinion on what you write. Okay, and a pingback is when people cite or use your entire blog post linking to you. WordPress automatically sends a pingback to the content author. This way you can keep track on who is linking to you. In addition, that's a way of acknowledging someone's authorship on certain content. You will see your pingbacks in the comments section of your WordPress admin area. They will be listed amongst the regular comments. You can distinguish pingbacks from regular comments because their anchor text, the link of your site, is automatically placed in square brackets by WordPress. Configuring comments. The available settings for your comments are listed under Settings, Discussion tab, and your WordPress admin panel. So let's go to Settings and click the Discussion tab. On this page there are several important settings that you should change depending on your needs. The first one is to allow people to post comments on your articles. This setting handles whether the comments under your new post are enabled or disabled by default. Enabling or disabling comments under a particular post or page will overwrite this setting. You can also have it where an administrator always has to approve the comment. If you want to moderate each comment that enters your site before it goes live, enable this option. If you do so, you'll have to activate new comments from the comments page. And show avatars. By default, WordPress will link the commenter's email address to his, hers, avatar, and gravatar if such is present. With this option, you can either hide or show avatars next to your comments. You can protect comments from spam with Akismet. Akismet for your WordPress site is one of the first changes you should do. Spam is a global problem, and often WordPress comments are the place where bots try to enter bogus content full of links to their sites. This service is an external program for battling spam. It has a database of known emails, IP addresses, and usernames used for sending spam. When a visitor of your website submits a comment, it's being checked by Akismet and put in a special spam folder if it matches any criteria. The first thing you should do is go to the Akismet website and hit Say Goodbye to Comment Spam button. And that website is akismet.com. Once you have your key for this, we're going to go ahead and set that up so you can see what it looks like. When you go here, you can click Say Goodbye to Comment Spam. And we're going to choose the basic non-commercial one for this demo. And you're going to put in your email address. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and log into my email real quick. And we're going to click on Activate Account. And we're going to choose the basic one again. Alright, so here's our API key, and I'm going to disable this once we get done with the video here. So we're going to go back over here to our WordPress site. And we're going to go to plugins. And we're going to activate go to settings, and we're going to paste in our key that we got. Going to click use this key. And we're going to leave the default always put spam in the spam folder for review. And we're going to hit save changes. Alright, so now any comments that get applied on our site will automatically get sent to the Akismet website to verify that it's not a spam bot. Alright, let's go back and look at the discussion settings once more. So you can also create it where users must be registered and logged in to comment. This is something I would suggest. It keeps just anybody from the world putting a comment on your site. They have to go through a little bit more, creating a username and password, verifying their email address before they can do a comment. That's what I would suggest before you open your WordPress site live for anyone to just put a comment on it. Alright, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.